Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically this currency pair is just providing lots of the basing processes and bull flags and triangles breakout. So we got this initial breakout from 144.90 days ago, but we basically also noticed it here that market just started, was building the higher lows and contracting and breaking, and that's very similar to what we got so far here. We got also building higher lows, contracting and breaking at this stage. So I still see the very positive. This is also relative strength leader. It's holding very well today, so I really like the market. Again, still USD Japanese yen can go higher. We are just around the 1998 high, around 147.80 or 147.65. So basically, if we can clear this high and we can sustain above, we can open the door for much bigger objectives, and we can speak even about 1990 highs here that we got to 1990, right? So this is a very, very important pivot, but this is price around 159 mark. So there's a plenty of potential here on this market for the further rise. Momentum is also pretty strong, so watch for buying opportunities still on the intraday deeps for the further rally. If we speak about the gold market is pretty chaotic. It had basically a wide range day yesterday relative to the previous days and closed in the middle. So far it's trading inside the previous day range, in the middle of the previous day range. So it's a basically pretty balanced opening today. And I would like to see the range breakout. If we can clear the low at 1642, we can open the door for 1619. And if we can clear the highs around 1683, we can open the door for eventual 1726. So watch for the breakout of this yesterday's range. Speaking of the crude oil had a 3 days down and then 1 day up yesterday, so we basically rejected the 20-day rising moving average, and now we're building some kind of the range on the hourly time frame. We can see that market is building the range here, so watch potential breakout to the upside on this one. And speaking of the, and if we can see the breakout to the upside, we can open the door for that 93.20 to be on the test. And speaking of the Bitcoin market, there was a big market that reached all our downside objectives and reached that 18,200 and then rejected very aggressive and have followed through today. So watch for some pullbacks, maybe on the hourly, on a 2 hour potential rally, maybe towards the extreme highs around 20,500 mark. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always and have a good weekend. Speak to you from next week, Monday.